Today I'm going to be racing the one with cardboard wings and the one without cardboard wings. Well, let's see the race. Sure.
Which one was a helicopter, though?
This one was a helicopter, but this one went faster. But this one was more success. This one drops too fast. This one nicely spins to the ground and lands lightly.
Yeah, so if you're right, which one would you run a right in? The one that lands lightly or the one that lands really hard?
The one that lands lightly is the more safe one.
That's great. All right, can you hop up there and show me that spin one more time on your paper one?
Sure thing.
All right, just the paper one. Watch the spin. Shoom, there it goes.